Yeah. So, have you watched the previous lecture, Prasanna? Have you watched the previous lecture, or you are directly watching this one? If you will watch directly, then there will be a problem. You should be in a continue. Okay. So follow the continuity. Okay. Yesterday I didn't discuss much things. Okay. Don't break the momentum. So we were discussing about, I think, a system we didn't started. I think we were discussing about causal system, anti-causal system. We didn't started. Yeah, orthogonality. Yeah, yeah. Yesterday we had completed the orthogonality. That was a important concept. Okay, orthogonality was a very important concept. So I think you guys should watch that orthogonality principle. That is a very, 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 very much important topics. Yesterday we discussed orthogonality. Okay, so sync functions and all we'll discuss today. A signum function means there is a lots of lots of a function. So functions discussion is and basic signals we had discussed the periodic signal. Just give me a minute, so I'm checking the topic what I had discussed yesterday. So we were discussing about neither energy nor power. Yeah, these things we completed. Energy signal we had completed. Yeah. Okay. So note one point. Make a note one point. From here we have to start. Okay. If magnitude or peak magnitude, if magnitude or peak magnitude of infinite extension signal, of infinite extension signal is either left sided or right sided or both sided, decreasing. I will tell you the meaning. Decreasing in nature, decreasing in nature from a finite value, from a finite value, their signal will be energy type. Their signal will be energy type. What is the meaning of this? Like, see, so it's starting from a finite value and it's decreasing like this. So this is a energy type signal. Okay. Same example I can give you means both sided. So this is a right sided signal, and this kind of a signal is both sided signal. And another example of this is like this. Okay, the value is getting decreasing. It's getting decreasing at infinite. Okay, at infinite it's getting decreasing. So now you have to check question is check whether it is an energy signal, power signal, or neither energy nor power signal. So this is one signal and it's like this. Okay, this is another signal. It's a joining of these two signals. So this is neither energy nor power signal because it's going up to infinite value. It's going up to infinite value and there is a no periodicity. Nothing is means we can say. So this kind of a signal can be said as a neither energy nor power signal. Same thing. See, if I am giving you some signal like this, it's decreasing. Okay, and from here it is also decreasing. So at infinite it's getting decrease. At infinite it's getting decrease. So this is energy signal as per the definition of this. If the magnitude or the peak magnitude of an infinite extensive signal is either left sided or right sided or both sided, decreasing in nature, so this is decreasing. See, this is decreasing. This particular is also decreasing. Here it is not decreasing, it is increasing. Here it is also decreasing, here it is also decreasing. So this kind of a signal can be said as energy signal. Okay. And there is a one example like neither increasing nor decreasing. Okay, if you are getting a signal like this is x of t, so it is neither increasing nor decreasing. It is neither increasing nor decreasing. So what you will say? So this is your power signal. Power signal. Okay, it is constant, the value is constant from infinite to infinite. Okay, and I'm giving you one particular example like fourth example. So you have a x of t is equals to eu of t. Okay, e power, it's not e of e power minus 3 jt u of t. So how you will say this that it is an energy signal or power signal? How you will say? You need to find the mod value of x of t. If you'll find the mod value of x of t, what you will get? If you will find the mod value of e power minus 3 jt, so it's cos 3t minus j sine 3t into u of t. So what is the mod value of this? Cos square 3t plus sine square 3t. So this will become u of t only. Okay, the mod value you will get u of t. So x of t mod value you are getting u of t only because this modulus value will give 1. Okay, so u of t, as we had discussed earlier, unit step impulse signal, unit step signal is power signal.
Power signal.
Yeah, power signal. This is not an energy signal, it's a power signal. Energy signal, always remember, for energy signal you will get a finite time duration. Okay, finite time, or one thing, if it is not a finite time duration, the magnitude will decreasing in nature. Decreasing in nature. But for power signal, the time period will be, means the time durations will be like this, infinite. Okay, or you will get a periodic signal. So every periodic signal will be your power signal, like sine theta, cos theta. So this is what this type of signal is periodic signal and it is not decreasing. So this is your power signal.
Power signal.
Yeah, so it is power signal. triangular signal like this. It's a power signal. It's a power signal. This signals,
infinite time
yeah.
basis.
So it's a power signal. Okay, so now you can directly say, I'm giving you one question. Uh, this is your signal like this, like this. Okay, it's going like this. And from this side, it's going like this. So this is, what kind of a signal is this? It's repeating, means
Power signal.
power signal. Okay. And if anyone will ask you, if this is a power signal, if anyone will ask you what will be the energy of this, so what is the formula of energy signal? Minus infinite to
Minus
infinite
infinite to infinite.
mod x of
Mod
t
x of t whole square t.
dt. Okay. So number of pulses here, number of pulses are what? Infinite. Number of pulses are infinite. And if means we are doing the integration for overall minus infinite to infinite. Okay, so number of pulses are infinite, and if you will integrate one small function, suppose this is a naught, so what you will get? A naught square only. So a naught square, this is my finite value. Finite value. Okay, integration of this is integration. If you'll do of this integration, so you will get some particular area, but these areas are infinite, so overall result you will get infinite only. So this is not a energy signal, because energy is coming infinite. Okay, so there is a some terms and conditions. Okay, you need to remember this particular things. Like we have a periodic signal. Okay, so there is a means a two kind of a periodic signal. So sine t, this is my power signal, and if I am giving you a tan t, it will be neither energy nor power signal, neither energy nor power signal, because tan t graph,
Infinite time period.
yeah, it will go like this. Okay, so tan t graph, it's going like this. Okay, so you will not, so infinite means it's reaching to the infinite value, so it's neither energy nor power signal. Okay, and in a non-periodic signal, suppose you have a non-periodic signal. So in a non-periodic signal, energy is there, power is there, neither energy nor power is also there. So for example, of the energy signal is e power minus t u of t. Okay, why so? Because the graph will decreasing in nature like this, from finite value to it at infinite value, it will decrease in nature, and u of t means it's starting from the zero. Okay, so this is decreasing in nature, that's why. What about u of t? It is non-periodic u of t, but it is power signal. Okay, unit step function is your power signal. Neither energy nor power signal, neither energy nor power signal is ramp signal, r of t, that means tu of t. So r of t can be denoted as a tu of t. So it can be this signal, this ramp signal means the signal is like this. It's going from, it's starting from zero, and it's reaching to its infinite slope. Okay, not infinite slope, it's continuously moving signal, continuously moving straight line. So this is your neither energy nor, because it's reaching to infinite value, the magnitude will reach to the infinite value. So it is neither energy nor power signal. Okay. Okay, finite duration signal. Now come to talk about the finite duration signal. So you have a finite duration signal. Okay. So how the finite duration signal will look like? Suppose this is your energy signal -2 to 2, because you will get the energy. And I'm giving you one more example, neither energy nor power signal. If the signal is like this, okay, if the signal is like this, because it's reaching to infinite value. So this is neither energy nor power signal. So this is finite duration. So finite duration -2 to 2, and you can say this -2 to 2. So duration is finite, but the value in this signal we are getting, it's reaching up to infinite, but in this we are getting the finite value. So in this we can find the energy, but in this the energy will be infinite. So this is neither energy nor power signal. There is a more example of infinite extension signal. Infinite extension signal. So what is the meaning of an infinite extension signal? Like in energy signal, you are getting e power minus t, e power minus t, u of t. And also e power minus t, u of t. It's decreasing like this. And the value is infinite, 0 to infinite. Duration is infinite, that's why. But the magnitude is decreasing, that's why it will have energy. Okay. And power signal example, u of t. Okay, the duration is infinite, but you will get the power in this. Neither energy nor power for infinite duration signal. Again your ramp signal, r of t. Okay, that can be written, r of t is nothing but t u of t, t into u of t. So t u of t is your ramp signal. Okay. Okay, write it down. Neither energy nor power signal increasing to infinite magnitude called neither energy nor power signal. NENP means, what is the meaning of a NENP signal is increasing to infinite magnitude called neither energy nor power signal. Okay, and rest of all the signal will be power signal. If the magnitude is increasing to the infinite value, then the signal will be neither energy nor power signal. You have to remember this point. If the magnitude is increasing to the infinite value, then the signal will be neither energy nor power signal. Okay, we'll continue tomorrow, because my pen tab is not working. I have to check it. There is some issue. Okay, so we'll continue tomorrow. And better, please go through the previous lectures, like yesterday what we had discussed, and today I told you about the line equations, how to find the line equation. You just do practice, means how we are finding the line equations. Watch it again and again, and means clear your concept regarding the finding the line equations. Then only you will be a very what to say, you will be a very good in signal, because lots of questions you have to deal with the line equations only. That y is equals to mx plus c, it's look very simple, but when you will go in a deep in a signal and system, then you will know the use of that equation, how it is very useful. Okay, so tomorrow we'll discuss basic signals. Okay, scaling property to we already discussed. So okay, we'll discuss it tomorrow. I have to check it, the problem, what's the problem in this big tab. Okay, we'll meet tomorrow. Bye.
Sir, I want to ask you something, sir.
What you had asked?
What was your project in your college days, sir? What was your big project?
Oh, my project.
Yes, sir.
Actually, I was the means like in my I did the vertical farming. Okay, I got the first prize in that automation indoor vertical farming.
Okay.
Okay, I was working under the Senthil sir. So me and one of my friends, so we did
On
automation.
IoT basis, sir.
It's not IoT. It's based on a PLC.
Oh,
So what you guys are decided to do?
so already we have done a mini project on a AD current brake system.
Okay, so means have you took any guidance?
No, sir, we did ourselves.
Or you did by yourself only?
Yes.
So means what the things you had used? Arduino or Raspberry Pi?
Yes, sir.
Raspberry Pi. Hello, Prasanna.
Yes, sir, I know.
Means what the things you had implemented in your project? Raspberry Pi or
Sir, we have prepared a prototype of that AD current brake system using the motor and electromagnets and the conductors.
electromagnet?
But we give the supply to the electromagnet, so electromagnetic will create a magnetic field which produces the current in that conductors which is placed behind, beside of that. That eddy currents will create a magnetic field which has tendency to oppose the magnetic field which created it, so that
Okay.
brake will be applied to the friction.
You have means
Friction will be applied.
have you recorded the demo videos of that?
No,
You
sir, I have to do this. I'll do this in this week.
okay? Just means after this, whatever the demos and all means just send it to
Yeah.
me. I will see it.
Okay,
Okay.
sir. Sure.
Okay.